Molly comes to all Stephen's football training and football matches. Obviously some of the grounds are, no dog grounds, so she has to come with her coat on and that. She sits on the sideline with me, and we watch, and I used to have to keep getting them off and going, come on, test every 15-20 minutes. Now we've got Molly, we discovered that she can alert from the sidelines. So I'll just stand there with her and she'll suddenly start jumping up at me. She'll pull at the bag. She'll start trying to get, because I have his meter on in a bag with me when he's playing football. And then I run round to the manager and go, get him off quick. And she sees me and Molly running round now, jogging round behind the goal, and she goes, Stephen. She's actually got permission from all the referees to be let loose on the pitch, but I think that might be a bit dangerous. we don't go for that option, but they've all actually said, yeah, we get it, we think it's fantastic. She's got a red coat on, just let her go, just let her come on the pitch. But with all these big children storming up and down with the football and her going and getting in the middle, I'm not sure it's one of the better ideas. So we run round the edge on the lead.